So I'm working on an exploit that's not working. It's firing off, it's not giving me any errors, so it's connecting to the target, but it's not catching a reverse shell, or at least I think it's not giving me errors. So maybe there's not error messaging or handling built into the exploit. That's probably the case. But in order to see what's happening, so what's happening is we're targeting a string filter. So it's a TCP attack, so we're sending packets. So we need to look at the packets, and the way we can do that is you can use a tool called Wireshark. And so Wireshark can intercept packets as they get sent out or come into the host. And I'm going to set it on tune 0 because that's the port that is going to have the VPN, because I'm connected to the TryHackMe VPN in order to access the machine target. So we're going to click on tune 0, and we've started capturing packets. So we're going to go ahead and send the exploit to see what happens. As you can see, I've sent it before with no error messages. We send the packet. What we see is this. We see some UDP packets to make sure that something's there. Ends up telling me that the destination is unreachable. It says the port is unreachable, which means it's able to hit the host, but it's not hitting the port. So that gives us information we need to know in order to fix this. I'm just not sure what port it's supposed to be on, because this is what the exploit was built on. But that's just a quick explanation of the capabilities of Wireshark and how you can use it to troubleshoot.